The Event Horizon Telescope (EHT) project, which presented to us the very first picture of a dark opening back in 2019, is back for its most recent declaration this month, and they're promising something notable, including broad supporting varying media material. Odds are the show, planned for May 12, could give us enticing new experiences into Sagittarius A, the supermassive dark opening thought to sneak at the focal point of the Milky Way that the EHT group has been reading up throughout recent years, as per Science Alert. While it's incredibly improbable we'll get an immediate look at the dark opening itself, all things considered, dark openings swallow all radiation, including light. We might get a brief look at its occasion skyline, the jumping region past which light can never again escape. Sagittarius A* is far nearer than the dark opening the group imaged in 2019, which was at the focal point of the system M87 about 55 million light-years away. But on the other hand, it's a lot more modest, estimating in at, as it were, 4.3 multiple times the size of the Sun, and just a measly 26,000 light-years from Earth. While it's far nearer, however, it likewise is covered in a thick dust storm and gas. The EHT is a worldwide cooperation of astrophysicists investigating the quick climate encompassing a dark opening, bits of knowledge that could on a very basic level revise how we might interpret the universe. We actually don't have the foggiest idea what the EHT venture will astonish us with in the not-so-distant future, however we can hardly hold on to find out.